Yeah, that board just kind of ends.
So another note on this back wall that appears to have had some settlement is that we're looking at, from a structural perspective, what purpose does this wall serve? What structure does it support? Well, we can see from here in the crawl space that our floor joists are spanning in the long direction here. Our floor joists are not actually framed on top of this wall right here. So it kind of makes sense from the perspective of walking around on the interior of the home that we didn't see any floor deflection. It's because the floor is not supported by this wall.
See, there's actually no load on this.
And we can see over there with Bill that some of the shimming that has been previously done is actually loose, indicating that there's no actual physical load coming down on that shim. But with this foundation along the back, we're definitely seeing signs of settlement, signs of previous jacking up on the floor system and shimming to make it back level. We can also see it right here with the mud sill or sill plate. Typically, the sill plate rests directly on top of the CMU continuous foundation wall, and we can see that there is a gap where it has been raised up and a shim installed right there. We can also see over here, I don't know how well that can be seen, but it was the original anchor bolt that held the sill plate down to the CMU. And we can see where that was ripped out, also indicating upward movement of the floor system.
You got the same condition with the anchor bolt over here, and then this band board going around. You can actually tell it was cut to a taper. It looks newer, and so again, looks like
let's see if we can
indication of the shimming effort.
Let's see if we can't crawl over here and get a better look. Yep, similar situation right here. We can see where the anchor bolt was ripped out. We can see how the mud sill is elevated off of the CMU foundation wall. We can see the CMU foundation wall is tapered downward towards this corner, indicating significant settlement. We can see what looks to be newer lumber along the back side that looks to be a band board that could have potentially been used as a shim. It actually looks like it's being used as a shim to hold up the floor system.
It sure does.
But overall, the floor system underneath the addition doesn't look that bad. It seems to be the issues seem to be isolated here at this back foundation wall of the addition, and it appears to correspond with the stormwater drainage deficiency that we noted on the exterior.